So this actually helps us how, like, suppose you want to check some site, import requests. What is the content there? So what we generally do is like we just write the URL. Suppose one URL, if you can suggest also we can check, or otherwise, yeah, whatever comes in my mind. So the hindu.com, and we can check is it connecting to this or not. This is one news channel, yeah, and page you can write like so request. But generally, these sites, whatever they, if they are like accessible to user, then only you can access this, and otherwise we will not see anything. So for time being, I am using this, but yeah, we can check are we able to access this or not. Yeah. So these libraries will have meaning is specific how to use them. Actually, you should need to know how we use them generally and what is the purpose. So it is trying to get all the data. Oh, I think there is a syntax mistake. That is why spelling mistake of this the hindu.com. Yeah. So why it is taking so long? Yeah. So if the data is like too huge, it will go longer. Maybe I'm stopping. Yeah. Stop. Yes. So in this way, actually, you can see texts are actually printed. This is news channel, right? So I think on the header they are writing this, and later stages only this content, image files are there. So what it does is you are actually scrapping everything, getting the data from the website, how the website is designed, whatever the font, all the CSS style and all everything. But we might be not interested in these things actually. What we are interested in like getting exact values from some data, right? Or some static information. So static information can be like, yeah, get the headlines of the top three or five, what to say. You can actually, yeah, this site is nothing but, if you remember, yeah, this site. So what we are interested in, maybe we are interested in knowing this headlines, or who is the author, or when this page was printed. Yeah, something like that. But you should actually, while doing that, you should inspect this page, and like you should be aware like where this line is written. If you can figure it out, or you are aware of the website, then actually easy to scrap these websites. So yeah, in this section you are actually having this data. Okay, then maybe going deeper, and yeah, somewhere maybe these websites expose, then we can have this. Let's check with some other website which is like easier to, yeah, get it. So I'm just following one. Suppose, yeah, maybe if we extract this, what will happen? Okay, Stack Overflow. So in these, actually, yeah, you can just copy paste this and try to print what is the content there. Yeah. So you can see by getting this, you can easily see the question of that was Python, this Stack
Mhm.
Overflow, and inside that there will be comments or whatever. All the things will be there actually. Only thing is now how you will access them, each of this. Yeah, this we need to understand. Yeah. So I think there will be some syntax, yeah, parsing this. So let's one more line is we are writing soup is equals to okay. So we may need this library beautiful soup they call. I'm not sure why they name this. Yeah, pip install uh, beautiful soup for. So generally, if you know how websites are coded, then maybe yeah, it's easier to understand. But still, we can try. Have a like these numbers or okay. This is like yeah, entire website's content is coming. Yeah. So this weekend time being remove this and let's see. Okay, soup is nothing but yeah, all the HTML content and तो होगा क्या actually then you have to do is what you have to find this IDs for each of uh, HTML actually. So how we can get this? Maybe yeah, we can also do the inspecting of this page and then we can figure it out. Yeah, the you have to suppose you are looking for answers vote and then inside this, yeah, division is there, and this is like, yeah, very much, yeah, this seven answers are there, right? So you are actually looking for division ID of answers header, then answers first, then answers header, then answer subheaders, and inside that you will actually get the directly this answer count is equals to 7. So let's check yeah answers what it gives. Answers. Okay. So, dot find and you will actually mention this answers. Yes. So this is actually giving you this piece. So we were actually interested in the
Answer. Okay.
okay, yeah, let's one more command is there, prettify. Okay, this is also not prettifying. It is just saying prettifying. Okay. And let's see we if we go directly the ID is where it was. No.
Answer item.
Yeah, it is some other ID, right? Yeah. So division. You have to find this ID equals to somewhere. So then only you can get the whatever the consent content inside that id piece. So yeah, there are ways. Either you can go by the ID or answers header, suppose. Yeah,
No, it was just data.
header. Yeah. So this one actually giving you like data of this. Then actually, if you can do is like you can write this other split command or something like this. Yeah, because it has slash and very much. Now this will actually somehow better than the previous version. You can clearly see what the content inside it, what
Yeah.
they are talking about. They were actually, but our aim was like finding this seven, how much the answer got the votes, or how many answers were in the entire this site. So something like this you have to do. Actually, yeah, seven was seven answers, but here for each of the answer, how much vote is there, then you can find out. So this actually gives you the how many answers we have. Then later on you will actually check. Yeah. I think these are other contents are also coming, like how this is sorting is done. This content, this sorting filter, highest score and trending. These options are they are saying about this. So there is an answer sort menu is there, right? This has how many option, like high score is actually default, trending, date modified, date created, something like this. Yeah. So that is the idea. And let's familiarize ourselves with other syntax. So let's see. Uh, One more is like finding everything for division. Suppose you want to check results was there, right? Oh, result. Ah, okay, okay. We don't have the result and the results. So let's do one thing. First, pretty five is okay. Now results have something, and now there will be another find all is there. So find was actually doing for you is only finding one thing, and but similarly you can do for day find all. We should actually go through this, like what should be the syntax. So, hmm, the syntax are also like, yeah, and class. Okay. So I think card content will not be there. Answers we can write here. Mhm, mhm. Oh, okay. Div has some class. We should check. Yeah. Classes answer subhead deflex. Oh, okay. Or this one. So actually, here the idea will be you have to actually go through this everything and figure it out, like how to find what exactly you need, and based on that you will write some codes which can actually help you to find the exact data or whatever you are looking from the website. That is how the main thing is. And then using your Python knowledge, you have to either iterate over it and yeah, iterate over it and like Somehow you have to figure it out, yeah, how this data will come. So I think, yeah, this is only there, but nothing as such in the scrapping, or yeah, web scrapping is something like this. Yeah. So we, why I'm not able to get this, I'm not sure. Yeah, it should working actually. Yeah, it should give something. No, previous one. Yeah, this one should. I think we should mention only class. No. Ah, how? Radio and somehow. Let's see if we have container. Okay.
Can we see like how many members have used that URL or viewed that URL kind?
So
Like,
that you will get from somewhere else. Meaning Stack Overflow will be this website, right? They will be actually counting somewhere. Then maybe you can see. Or is there any where they are printing like this website is visited or this site, this answer were visited? No, right? They are actually, yeah, there was one good data set actually they had of Stack Overflow where they got like, yeah, these are the question, these many times viewed. Yeah, here
yes,
viewed
yes.
is there, right? Yeah. This question is viewed how many years ago asked when they modified last. So I think if you Google, you will get some data is there. Yeah, Stack Overflow or someone did this Stack Overflow data set. You can search and download. Yeah, yeah, here where I can find Stack Overflow set data. So I remember I was doing one project, so I got this data kind of. So it has like user IDs and batches or post answers, yeah, ID and their post for create table like and all. Yeah, whatever question they had, how much answer they had, accepted or not, whatever
Okay,
possible
like what
thing.
is the most search question and how
Hmm.
many of the so those data will be useful, right, in terms
Yeah,
of
yeah,
process.
correct. Yeah, doing some analysis. So here he is saying like if in case you want to download, you will actually get here. So maybe based on the each of the so Stack Overflow, if you go deeper, maybe they have many sites. If you are aware of this Stack Overflow, they have many sub branch, or you can say, yeah, sub sections actually. Yeah, their front page or somewhere I used to see. Yeah. Okay. Questions or tags. Yeah, this tags. Tags will tell you. Yeah, based on many are there. So Android, if you're really interested on Android only, you can just download this and check. So this data is quite huge. You can take one or two data and play with it. Yeah. So this will have, let's see what they have. If we check this view content, yeah, so XML file is there. Nothing much. Hmm. So this is actually in XML file, and then actually you can figure it out. Yeah. But if you are like really looking into like how to scrap, you want to do the scrapping, then you have to find exact like something like this page. Questions are there, like these many questions. Then for each questions you can find this votes, answers, views, and how many who asked and asked. This number is, I don't think. Yeah, this number is like people are looking for this question. Yeah, kind of. I guess so. Then probably you can scroll. Yeah, then Actually, scrapping will help you. Like scrapping can you can actually write multiple website. See here, someone is writing that web scraping code for CSS selector. How to write the code. So in that Scrappy, actually, you can define some jobs which will directly go to page and collect the data. Some processor will go on the second page and some random page number till the all the pages are not over. But that will be actually a quite complex, can be a complex project. But this is how you scrap the websites and all. Yeah, not yeah, somehow I am not able to get the content for this. But yes, so content we are getting, but yeah, this containers class I am not sure how to define. Yeah, let me try to print and check again. Yeah, and I think class is this one. If I print this class name, hmm, then actually it is giving the same result. So inside this class, I got this result. Ah, okay. Let's see if I am giving this. What is the result? Yeah. Then inside that class, yeah, then it is fine, right? So
Yeah, now
if
we are getting.
we actually it is so how websites are actually defined is if you just know like they will be multiple layers actually. If you remember just now when we were printing, you can see multiple layers were there present, right? So in the same way, you have to actually find which layer actually you are finding the you are interested in, and then actually you have to yeah this one. So no, no, this is something else. We were actually inspect the element. Yeah. So you can see this is like multiple layers. You go down and you will scroll. You will find yeah many side. My page has many levels. So inside which level you are interested, you have to figure it out. So either you can define directly giving this div equals to class, get the content on inside this class. So some. So let's yeah we were actually interested on this. So what exactly issue I found facing is like maybe this answer or this number votes actually are in different class. So we should actually identify first, get familiarize ourselves like familiar like how they are defining this entire website. Then you can figure it out like yeah I should be using this class or that class. Yeah, maybe inner. And as I think the our results are actually not on the entire website, right? Our result was inside this answer header. So that is why we are able to restrict ourselves within inside actually, yeah, headers. Answers tab only. Yeah, that is also one reason.
Uh,
So
can we give class of class because we
maybe
changed
we
it?
can give, yeah, let me check. If we give header is not the yeah obviously we can give and then you have to play around which one is better to figure it out your whatever you need to get the solution for your so this yeah I should have started with some easy website then it is very easy otherwise yeah it will take little longer to understand so okay so see this every division they call right in the HTML. So they will have a class and their ID also. So either you can search by ID or by the class name. So if you search by ID, then you will get some same content, and for the class you will also get the same similar content. That is how actually you will should work. I think yeah some you can I maybe Google some yeah working prototype for this extracting. Maybe suppose let's see this one inner content clear fix and we should change this also. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Right now, yeah, many people's they what to say? Yeah. Oh, this was class. Hmm. So maybe question header we can take.
No, I
As-
think we were in different pace.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we were previously we were in different page. Now we are in different page. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So, oh, okay. Inside this, we don't have anything. A question header.
I
Hmm.
think we can go back to the URL which you pasted from the stack.
Hmm. I change it. Okay. Yeah. So, So main contents are inside this container class. So, So find all results dot. Okay. So while doing this, can we mention here also class this? And instead of this, we should write container. Yeah. So this will actually give you the better content. Yeah. Hopefully. Let's see. Is it printing something? No. Oh, yeah. So inside this, where is the exact data which we are looking for? Yeah. What happened right here? These are like, I think, add links also are coming into picture, and some, yes. So size and all. So yeah, if it is kind of like mm, container is there, division, no. Maybe yeah, ID is equals to content. So that is how I used to learn. Also, like yeah, playing around like what is exact thing we are looking for, and then maybe we get the better answer. So where I can find Stack Overflow question. Oh, okay, this is coming from the previous one. Yes. Now convert. This question is correct, right? You can actually
Yes.
see this is convert pandas column. You can actually
I think the
write
class.
this. Yeah, the class name this, or I think for div. Then again, you can find this h1 class name is this. Get the content. So content will be like, what is the question? You can write in one column. Yeah, question is this. Now, what is the question content? Also, you can figure it out. But these are actually a date, time, format, and all. So where you will, I think, yeah. Oh, this is like at what time this question was created. So you can say date created is there 8 years ago. You can copy paste this. At what time created, you can get this. And last modified, I think, last activity
Yeah.
is there 2 years ago. How many views so far?
Here
These
it is.
many views. Yeah. So these some things you can, I think, figure it out. Like if you do, I think that is what I was saying. For loop, if you do. Hmm, how to do that for loop? Yeah. Hmm, we did not define into anything, right? Yeah. So we actually define this like jobs is equals to this, suppose, and now saying for job in jobs and job or yes. Hmm. Okay. What happened? Yeah, this is printing. This is fine. Now, actually, what you can do is maybe you can put this question. Something similar is there. What is like time is here. In this one, last activities they have something else, and times is there. Okay. Suppose you put this here times. So you can write this if basic one this in job, then maybe you can get something like this. Oh, it is not working. Yeah. Actually, then, yeah. So created time is equals to CREA. Created time is equals to job dot find. Actually, yeah, then you have to do find and all, yeah, for each of them. Not good way actually, but what to do? Created is at, yeah, this is the I think class and header or yeah, we are actually finding in div. Let's see. Hmm. Hopefully this is correct. Yeah. So if you do this, maybe created time. Nothing is coming. I don't know why.
Directly we cannot get the tag right. We need to go into the div and then fetch it.
Correct, correct. Yeah, jobs. Directly we cannot get where actually. So no, no, div. Big. Oh, okay. No, where was it? Here actually. This one we wanted to get. Now, we cannot go directly here. You are saying why so? Or maybe here. Hmm. Oh, okay. Printing job was what? Yeah, job was fine. Then created time should have came actually. Let me see. Uh, no, what we need inside the find one, we need this. I think title. So probably this. No, let me figure it out here. Print it here and check, and it is giving correct. None. Oh, we should have given this class. But what is the, oh, okay, it's inside the content will be many big, yeah. Yeah, okay, okay. So this actually giving you the entire this class, but we want that title, this field, right? Yeah. This field is actually, I think, not so straightforward. So, so if we find this only title equal to no. Hmm.
Can we give class of title after that class?
Oh, I think,
Can we search with one more attribute? Is it possible?
yeah, that is what I think we need to figure it out. Job in this. In then actually maybe we can play with this indexing and all. So maybe if we put zero, oh, this is not zero position. Okay. What is this actually? They are giving this divide, but actually I wanted to yeah get this first only. So div is there, but what we call this? Maybe div class is there. Okay. Mm, uh,
Rishi, how about giving a class where you have defined div and title where you have defined class?
mm, this where? Yeah.
In div, please.
No, it will not work, I think. This I tried.
Okay.
But yeah, there will be way. Yeah, this is not the way. I think if we say this only, I was actually looking for this. It should only give, but title with title it is not finding. Only div you can find, that is fine. But if you give the class name, it will actually restrict your class name there. So even though you have this, find the div because it has only one class. And what about this? If we search time, mm, what about this? Yeah, so actually you can get this time, created time, and maybe I think here there will be one more command. I guess so. Something maybe values. Don't know. Yeah, this one. So no, no, none. Why none type it is? Yeah. It's the type of this. Yeah. These are not a string actually. These are some BS4 tag element. Okay. So we need to check actually like yeah BS. Okay, BS4 uh, 4 dot element dot tag will be something and probably yeah this will throw error because we need to import also. So yeah, or maybe you can directly go to this class and check. Yeah, PS4. Oh, why? We are actually importing only that beautiful soap. Yeah. So BS4, yeah. So, if you want to go to this, yeah, here is the website. Init website is there. Then maybe yeah, we need to figure it out how to get this tax. Or let me go somewhere. Hmm. So can check. Uh, yeah, this we got right. Yeah, wait a second. Time. Let's yes. So if I save into some result or not result, yeah, R suppose. So R is equals to no R minus one dot extract is some command or maybe not this. Yeah, then this piece is actually in a string, I guess so. hmm No, extract is not in the string. Oh, maybe if we do for loop and values equals to this. So one way this is, but maybe there will be some different approach. So str of I, yeah, then this will, if you print value, I think, yeah, oh, okay, 8 years ago is only convertible to string. I guess so. So this is one way you can get the at least one of the data. Similarly, you can try for views and what else? Yeah, last activity 2 months, 8 years ago. I think these we cannot, or maybe we can. Yeah, that is how we can do this extraction of the data. Yeah, that's all I think, Smita.